Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Kia Sportage manual. First, familiarize yourself with the 3 pedals: clutch, brake, and accelerator. The clutch is on the left and is crucial for changing gears. Practice pressing it fully down and slowly releasing it to find the engagement point. This is where the engine power connects to the wheels. Mastering this feel is key to smooth starts and shifts, preventing stalls. Let's get started with the basics. To begin, ensure the car is in neutral and your foot is firmly on the brake. Depress the clutch completely, then start the engine. Move the gear stick into first gear. Now, slowly release the clutch pedal while gently pressing the accelerator. You'll feel the car start to move as the clutch engages. For upshifting, accelerate, depress the clutch, shift to the next gear, and smoothly release the clutch while applying gas again. Practice makes perfect. Once comfortable with basic shifting, focus on downshifting. This involves depressing the clutch, shifting to a lower gear, and releasing the clutch smoothly, often with a slight blip of the throttle. This technique helps with engine braking and maintaining control. For hill starts, use the handbrake to hold the car, then release it as you engage the clutch and apply gas. Anticipate traffic to minimize abrupt shifts. Proper driving habits extend the life of your clutch. Avoid riding the clutch, which means resting your foot on the pedal or using it to hold the car on an incline. This causes premature wear. Instead, use the brake or handbrake when stopped. Remember, smooth and deliberate shifts are always better than jerky ones. Check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.